Hi, and welcome to our Success and Money Tracker app. Success and Money Tracker is a powerful, easy-to-use app designed to help you take control of your finances, build better habits, and create long-term wealth using a simple, proven system. Built around the 7 steps to financial freedom, this app gives you clarity, structure, and the tools you need to track, plan, and grow your money, all in one place. This is your foundation. The My 7 Steps page helps you organize your entire financial life into a clear plan. Set your income, giving, investing, saving, expenses, and debt, all structured into a simple system that shows you exactly where your money should go each month. It's your personal roadmap to financial stability and growth. Track your real spending with ease. The Expenses page allows you to log and categorize your daily and monthly transactions so you can see exactly where your money is going. By comparing your actual spending to your plan, you can quickly identify areas to improve and stay on track. Get a complete snapshot of your finances in one place. The Summary page combines your plan from My 7 Steps with your actual spending from Expenses to show your progress. Instantly see how you're performing across key categories like giving, investing, saving, fixed expenses, personal spending, and debt. This page helps you stay accountable and make smarter financial decisions. In the Calculator page, you can plan your future with powerful financial tools. Investment Calculator. See how your money can grow over time with compound interest. Roth IRA Calculator. Estimate long-term tax-free retirement growth. Real Estate Calculator. Analyze potential property investments and returns. Debt Calculator. Create a clear plan to pay off debt faster and save on interest. These calculators help you visualize your future and make informed financial decisions with confidence. Learn while you grow. The Courses section gives you access to educational content focused on success, money, investing, and personal development. Whether you're just getting started or looking to level up, these lessons are designed to help you build real-world financial skills. We've added powerful tools to make the app even easier to use. One of the highlights is the floating card. Move it anywhere on your screen to instantly see your money in, money out, and remaining balance based on your budget. It keeps your key numbers visible at all times so you can stay on track. In the Settings page, you can fully customize your experience. Change your currency, select your preferred language, switch between light and dark mode, set notifications, and easily save or reset your data. Whether your goal is to get out of debt, start investing, or build long-term wealth, Success and Money Tracker gives you the structure, tools, and education to make it happen. Take control of your money. Build your future. Start today.